Hey guys, Josh back with another video. And sorry for not uploading yesterday. I usually do daily uploads, so I forgot to do yesterday. I still care for you guys, so let's get started with the video. As you can see here, you have an AC750 boost. And I hear this makes 300 mbps. See, it's pretty decent. So, I hear this is pretty high speed, so 300 mbps per second. So let's just open the box. Place it up in there. As you can see, you will be redirected to this box area. I don't know what the point of this was for. This little white thing. Oh, I have a router like this, but I'm connected to it right now, so it makes like 350. I'm not familiar, but this is pretty nice. I've seen one. Oh, it's a box. And there's another one. So all around you will see. You see this? Okay. Share the awesomeness. So, as you can see here, if you open the box, you'll see the instructions how to do this. So, says you have a quick start guide. Alright, this is the part of the setup. Similar to my Netgear one. This up. And I heard it covers 6,500 square feet of space. And this is the regulatory information. So just regular information there. Oh, there we go. We are looking foam. Like just like iPhone. Those clones for iPhone, they have like these kind of little things, so pretty funny. It's legit, right? Pretty legit, as you can see here, because you need a lot to open it. Like it looks easy. This up. And as you can see, if you could feel this element, it feels so that's okay. Just gonna peel this off later. And as you can see, you can plug in your Ethernet cord to your server thing, so you can automatically connect this. And as you can see here with these network thingies, you need to connect to your modem, or in this case, you have an Ethernet cord. So here we go. It says your serial code numbers here. I'm not gonna give you that because it's used for a purpose. As you can see, I'm not gonna open this little thing here. Patch, no, I'll just open it as soon as I use it. And as you can see, in most of these things you have this little thing, so pretty nice. I gotta keep this box awesome. Alright guys, now I'm gonna tell you about this thing. Close this box. There you go. One is quick start guide. Okay, so this is, you need a 2.4 gigahertz network. Since I use 5G, I'm not using this one. Some people, like if you have a 2.4 gigahertz network, it'll work for you. But if you have a 5G, it won't work. Oh, never mind. It works for 5G. Sorry guys. So it's used for anyone, like, so you don't have to really care. It's supported for all types of things. pretty simple steps as you can see here. I'm going to show the customer support hours here and stuff. The box will just read here. The AC750 boost, the specs are here. Works with any router, no need to modify router settings with all Wi-Fi routers, including those from service providers. Cross-band technology maximizes simultaneous use of both hands. Dual brand. So this is compatible at 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz dual brand. Beamforming technology focuses signal to devices for optimal performance. Gigabit ports. Yeah, you already saw it. The Ethernet cord. Is this a sticker? Oh, this is a sticker. I don't know if Best Buy added this. Look at this off. See? But I think it looks like this is a sticker. It looks like it's implemented, but it's a sticker. Okay. Now for the regulatory information. Wireless regulatory information. Just says antenna connector stuff. Says MG. It also has in Espanol and French. It has in French, Hungarian, Spanish, Greek, German, Finnish, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Northern, Dutch, Italian. Sorry for pronouncing these names wrong, so. Okay, so this is your stuff in here. There we go. This thing is a lot smaller than my other thing, so. Okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe to the video. I'm sorry once again for not daily uploading like I said I would. Just Josh does for the video.